Welcome to the VariSight booth at Embedded World 2025. I'm glad to show you the last arrived SOM in the family. This is the VarSOM AM62P. It's an evolution of the previous AM62, introducing also the video encoding and decoding capability in hardware. On top of this, you can find the DarTime X7 Plus. Really interesting when you need to do some kind of machine learning application. And on the DarTime X7 Plus, you can see that we are using the new Sonata board that is coming for support, mainly to introduce new features like the 10 gigabit Ethernet. On this side, you can find the DarTime X7 Mini. It's a good compromise when you're looking for multimedia application and having both video encoding and decoding and GPU accelerations for graphical, like Android, you can see here. On this side, you can find the 93. It belongs to the same family of the VarSOM AM62P. They share the same caviar, and this product is a low-cost version of the 9 family, also providing machine learning capability, but you can scale down to the 91 and having only a single core to optimize the costs. Finally, you can find here the top of the family, of the 9 family, the DarTime X95 with the 6-core A55, dual Cortex-M, one M7 and one M+3, plus machine learning, neuroprocessing unit, GPU, VPU. It's the top of the family here. The interesting thing for the customer is that this SOM can reach up to 16 GB of RAM. It's like a PC now. Let me close with an evergreen here. We have the Dart6UL. He joined our family a long time ago, but it's still very interesting in terms of costs, longevity, and efficiency.